Last week, I uploaded this video talking about a method that I tried based on a YouTube video that I saw. Well, I've got some good news that I want to share with you, so make sure you stick around, watch this entire video to learn everything that I've done, the progress that I've made, and how you can get started too. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned earlier this week or last week, depending on your timetable, I uploaded this video talking about how I watched a video by Marcus Campbell and I tried it and I failed miserably. So in that video, basically what Marcus Campbell suggests is that you go out and create what he calls an app, which is basically a website where you put icons on a website and you get people to click on the website using different methods. The method that I used was to search for the term checklist on Ahrefs, create a basic website, and then run paid ads to it, run Google ads to it. Well, in the video that I'm referencing, I had mentioned that I'd only made $1.50. I'm running paid ads where it's $10 per day, and I was getting a bunch of clicks, about 30 clicks per day, but I only made $1.32. So in that video, in the original video, I talked about some things I could do better. I could probably add more icons and more affiliate links. I could fill it out a little bit better. I also talked about some things that I think that could be done better from the user's perspective. For example, using something like WordPress instead of using HTML, because most people don't have experience with coding or writing HTML language, markup language. And so a bunch of issues there. Go watch that original video if you want a complete understanding of what I'm talking about. I don't want to recreate that original video. I just want to provide an update. So as I mentioned, first few days only made $1.50. I was very close to turning the ads off because, I'm going to try other methods that I see on the internet. Oh, by the way, if you watch a YouTube video and if you wonder if it actually works, comment down below with a link to that video and I'll give it a try. I've got a couple coming up later on this week and next week. So I'm going to make this into a series where I actually try things that people are telling you to do on YouTube. Anyway, without further ado, let's talk about some good things. After I uploaded that video, the next day I didn't earn any commissions. Actually, I earned 30 cents. So I spent $10 and made 30 cents. So that was a loss. However, the day after that, October 19th, I made $10.42. So I actually made 42 cents that day. The day after that, I made $15.62. So I actually made $5.62 with this opportunity. So things were starting to look up and I got really excited because money was starting to come in. I started thinking to myself, okay, maybe Google's going and finding people that are actually interested. One thing that I realized is that these days were Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And so this might be one of those things where I turn off and turn on. That can be kind of tedious. But I noticed that Thursday, Friday, Saturday were the best opportunities because let's see, this is the October 21st, which is a Friday, I made money again. So if we're doing the math here, I have ran this for about 8 days, from Saturday to today. I have spent $80 and I've made a grand total of maybe $30, $35, which may feel like a loss, but this is an indication that this does work and I need to make some tweaks. Here's some ideas that I could potentially try to make more money. One thing that I could do is I could actually collect emails. So I could offer something in exchange for their mailing address. For example, I could offer, a free downloadable checklist to get their name and their email, or I could offer some sort of training, or I could go find a PLR, a private label rights product, to get their name and their email and then get them over to the offer. If I go that route with email marketing, I can follow up with them again and again and again. In my original video, I didn't want to do email marketing because that creates a kind of like a pain, an annoyance, and another thing that you've got to keep up. But I might ultimately change this to add email marketing into it because this is a group of people that will buy stuff. they will buy expensive stuff and it will pay you high affiliate commissions. Now, I should let you know that I am using Amazon as a way to earn commissions with this space, and I'm very hesitant to reveal actually what I'm doing because last time I did this, people just steal the ideas and drive my costs up. I don't want to drive my costs up in order for this. So I'm being vague on purpose. I can tell you that the key term that I used was checklist, but I can't tell you the actual other keywords that I use because people will just steal it. Anyway, some ideas that I could potentially do to be successful or more successful. I can do email marketing, so collect emails. I can put more affiliate links on the page. I could reduce my targeting. So right now I'm paying about 30 cents per click. I could actually reduce that so that I get better quality clicks, maybe fewer clicks, but people are actually buying it. I can make some changes based on the products that have been purchased. I think there are a few different opportunities. So overall, the question is, does this work? Yes, it does work, okay? And I wasn't clear on that in the original video. I believe that this method works. You just have to tweak it a little bit and you have to keep playing with it. Oftentimes, we'll try one method and then throw our hands up if it doesn't instantly work. But this is something that does work, in my opinion, as long as you tweak it. Now, the videos that I've got coming up in this space about I tried it, I kind of know that these aren't going to work, but I want to give them the fair test, okay? So again, if you have videos that you want me to test out, just reply down in the comment section below and I will give them a run. Like I said, I've got a couple ones set up for the next couple weeks that I'm excited to share with you. So a couple things that I want you to do. First, go watch my original video about this and then watch the original video by Marcus to see exactly what he did, because he spent maybe 20 minutes explaining the process. I spent 10 minutes on the original video kind of outlining and highlighting what I did. And then this one, I just wanted to provide an update. So thank you very much for hanging around. I know this isn't a long video, but I just want to come back and say that I am seeing positive signs. I'm still in the hole, probably about $50 or so. However, if you can make money online, that's the hardest thing to do. That's the first hurdle that you run into. Now we can just tweak and play with it so that we become more profitable over time. And I think there is some really good opportunities to do that. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free training that shows you how anyone can earn a full-time income without a huge following on social media, a large mailing list, or even using paid ads. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube thinks this is the best video to help you make money online.